So I thought I was having an allergic reaction to the mosquito bite. So I called 911. I had no sense that I was having a stroke.
There we go.
Over at the place I was doing outpatient treatment, they knew about this program with the robotic arm.
We're trying to see if the kind of advantages that robot exercise accrue to the patient will be enhanced with vagus stimulation.
How simple it is.
Yeah.
I'm willing to do whatever is available because I'm really curious. I'm learning a lot about my brain, and so my arm that was pretty much not in a sling but kind of right angled against my body was able to be free again and straighten it out and close it up. It's really been very encouraging for me. Don't make me laugh, I'm concentrating.
And moving their arm away from their body and opening the shoulder joint allows them to bathe. And to be able to bathe yourself and dress yourself after a stroke is an important set of steps to independence again.
I've known a lot of people who have put themselves forward for different clinical trials, and it's made a difference for the people coming behind them. So I was also glad about being able to do that.
Boy, that's really
Piano fingers.
And look at that.
I couldn't do that before, right?
No.
I couldn't do that without you. Yeah.
Really
I'm pretty excited. I can't let go, but no, I won't get it. Now I got you. I won't be able to let